Orange slice, dipped in sugar. Mmm. But we're gonna put some chocolate on them.
Yeah, and it's probably really good.
Yes. So all you do is dip it halfway. You want to be able to hold on to it, and then you shake it off. Shake the chocolate off, and then turn it this way and shake it like that. Then you lay it down flat. Get it?
Kinda.
Here's a long one. Dip it a little further. Yep, bring it up. Shake it off. Like twirl it. Yeah, shake it off. Now turn it upside down. Turn it all the way up. Now shake it a little more. Shake it. Very good. See? Shake it evenly. See that? And then you put it down. Get it? Okay, come on. These are little. These are short. Here's a tall, long one. Put it in there. Shake it off. Shake it off as best you can. Turn it up this way and shake it a little bit, and it'll go down. It'll go down the orange slice, and then put it there. Okay, turn it straight up, upside down, and shake it this way. See that? And it shakes that little point down. Then lay it down. Very good. You look at your fingers, girl. These other ones are little pieces. There's a long one in there for you. This one. Here's a long one too. So I made these candied orange slices a couple days ago, and I had them in the refrigerator, and I waited for Mimi to come over because I saw another recipe where they dipped them in the chocolate.
And they're so good.
I haven't tasted it yet with the chocolate. They're good without the chocolate, yes. But we want to try these. Whoa! You gotta lick your fingers now.
It's good anyways.
It can get a little sloppy. Just gotta be careful. And once we get these done, I'm gonna set them in the refrigerator for just a few minutes so that chocolate can harden, and then we're going to taste them. Now this is just one small container that I have. I did make another container full. And they're in the refrigerator. Are you eating? So you're not helping anymore, huh? Are there any long ones? Any tall ones? All right, I'll do a couple more, and then we'll put these in the refrigerator. And then we'll let you taste them. How about that?
There too?
Yeah, you gonna share? Okay, go ahead and do one more.
I cannot wait for this.
Okay, take it out, shake it off. Shake, 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 shake. Yeah, there you go. Turn it upside down once you get enough off. And shake it that way. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, now put it down. And you can lay it this way. It doesn't matter which way you lay it.
These are really look hard.
Okay.
They look hard.
They probably are. They've been sitting there for a while. These other ones are kind of short, so I don't want to do these. Here's a long one. Let me do this one.
Here's the long one.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yep, it's long enough. Shake it off. Shake it this way. Lay it down. You want to do that one? Yeah, shake it that way. No, down, down, yep, down. There you go. Shake, 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 shake. Now see if you can turn it up. If not, just lay it down. Okay, that's enough.
So what? We gotta eat
Let's
these?
see. No, I gotta put them in the refrigerator. We'll be right back. A couple minutes.
They're hot.
Okay. They should be ready to taste, but I wanted to show you, this is the batch, another batch that I made. And these are similar to making like the ginger candy that I made before. And the process takes quite a while, so that's why I didn't record. And this was the first time that I made these candied orange peels. Have a bite. You want to taste it? Have a bite. They are delicious. So as I continued to watch videos, I saw a gentleman dip his in chocolate after he finished making them. So that's why we did this. Okay, and then maybe one day I'll do a video on how to show how to make this. You know, I like to do things the first time on my own without recording to make sure it turns out right. Or you know, I'm just not familiar with it. So maybe I'll do a video on these, and they are freaking delicious. Do you understand me? So now what we're gonna do? What are you doing? We're gonna taste the ones with the chocolate. You wanna go first?
Mm-hmm.
Let's share. Let's share first. Here, get a bite. We're gonna let you get a bite. You like that? Okay. All right, now you check it out, Mimi.
Of what?
See if you like it. What it tastes like with chocolate?
Good.
Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Different, huh? Okay. Mmm.
You almost ate the whole entire chocolate.
I know. Oh my goodness, that's so good. It's so sweet though, because you know these are candied, and then they're rolled in sugar, and then now we got the chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Sugar rush. Delicious. Oh my goodness. So you can store these in the refrigerator, and that's what I'm going to do with these. You can even freeze them, and they'll last longer.
These are good.
And then I'll decide if we dip any more in chocolate. But we have enough to last quite a while. And I think we're going to dip strawberries with some chocolate.
Ooh.
So we'll be back. Toodles, everyone. Hit that thumbs up. And we'll see you soon. Got anything to say? Oh, never mind.
And I'm right here.
And you're right there. Let's do strawberries. So,
Oh!
look, this is a great big one. You take the leaves and you pull them all the way up like this in your hand.
Okay.
And then you take it, dip it down in there.
I remember us doing this.
Remember, I had toothpicks before, but I don't feel like getting toothpicks. Ooh, that's a big one.
Ooh,
That is a big one. Let it drip, 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 drip off.
Like the same thing we did to the oranges.
Mm-hmm.
You just made a pile.
Yep. These take a little longer to get all that drippage off, all that extra chocolate.
Yeah, because
And
clearly
then, now see if I had a
strawberry.
toothpicks, it'd be easier to turn them upside down because I need to turn it. And, oh, that's going to be hard. So I'll just scrape it a little bit. Oh, I'll turn it like that and shake it. Whoa! Okay, I'm going to put it down. All right, let me show you how to do it. So let me give you one that has a lot of stem.
I'm taking out my jacket.
Okay.
I mean my sweater.
Then hold the top of the stem.
I'll be back.
Okay, well then I'm going to do this one. I don't know where you're going. I'll do one more and then when you come back you can do another one.
I'm back.
All right, I'm going to shake this one off.
That's
Let her drip. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious?
right in the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Dripping sand. That pile's starting to get big.
Mm-hmm. I think what we'll do, because they're too hard to turn upside down without the toothpicks being stuck in them, we'll just scrape it off the side
Grandma, that looks
like
dry.
that. Oh, oh, oh. And then just lay it down.
Yes, put it on that.
Okay? So you want to try one?
Yep.
All right. So grab that stem all up in your hands like that.
Like this?
Yes. But you got to hold it up away from the, you got to hold it away from the strawberry. So see if you can hold it with a little bit hanging. Hold it tight. You got it tight? Okay, dip it in there. Take it down all the way, all the way. Okay, pull it up. Hold on tight and just let it drip. You can kind of go up and down if you want. Not go up and down. Get some of that off of there. Hold on tight. Yep. Good job. Now you can scrape it off the side. Come on across here. Scrape that like that. Be a little bit. Now put it in your bowl. Lay it down like that. Lay it down. There you go. Let go. Ta-da! Good job. Good job. You want to do
That
another
one
one?
looked dry. So I'm going to eat the ones in my bowl and you eat yours?
I don't know about all that. That's a lot of strawberries that we're doing. You're not going to eat all those strawberries. You know, these are Dante strawberries, so we have to save some for him.
Yeah.
Yum, 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 yum.
You're doing the big one.
Well, you pick the one you want to do. Scrape it off the side. Scrape it off the side. Lay it down. Yep. Check it down as far as you can get down in there. Almost cover that top. Go side to side. Okay, now pull it up. And let it drip. Now you can kind of shake it. Get that excess off. When you think you have enough off, then you can scrape it on the side. Yep, you might not even have to scrape it. Go up right there. Okay, lay it down. Good job.
They look
Good
delicious.
Let me do this great big one.
Ooh, that's the one I was talking
Look
about.
at this weird looking strawberry, but it's edible.
It looked like it had legs.
Dip that in there. So how I'm shaking it, I'm holding on to it and I'm shaking it up and down to get that extra chocolate off. Are you paying attention?
Yes.
Did you hear what I said?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Until it almost stops dripping. Then I'm going to scrape it. Go side to side. There you go. Lift it up.
What?
We'll do the rest of these off camera and we'll be back, you guys. All right, we've got them all dipped. And we ran out of room, so there's one more right there. We're going to put them in the refrigerator for just a couple minutes so they can set up all the way. And then we'll come back and we're going to share this time. Share, and then we'll eat one.
We both are.
Okay, we'll be right back. All right, we're back, and we're going to sample. You taking the biggest one? Oh, my gosh. Oh, okay.
So.
Have a bite. There you go. Oh, you're sharing the biggest one. Nom, 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 nom. Okay. Oh.
I don't know butter.
You shared. That was good enough. Look at that. It looks delicious. Let's see yours. You didn't even bite the strawberry. You just got the chocolate off.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. That's right. Hit the thumbs up. Toodles.
Maybe I'll put your mouth.
Oh. We'll see you soon.